We've got an awful lot of awards to give away, so I think we should get cracking.
I just presented the award to Saoirse Ryan for Rising Star.
Tell me this much. I went to the premiere of the Jameson Dublin Film Festival and saw In Bruges.
Yes.
And laughed solidly.
Good.
For the entire film.
If you can't laugh at that film, there's very little you'll find funny in life.
How, in God's name, did you guys manage to keep straight faces during filming?
3 weeks rehearsal. Gleason's an awful mugger as well, so I mean it was a laugh. You know, there was a couple of takes we didn't actually get through the full thing, but you know, it's a good thing about film. I suppose it's not a stage; you get to go again. But it was very funny. It's some funny stuff to work on. And we had 3 weeks to rehearse, so we got a bit inured to the comedy, but it was still.
Your script in particular, so un-PC. I was going, I should not be laughing at this.
License to get away with murder, and I just point the finger at the writer and say something to do with me. Don't shoot the messenger, you know.
With 3 weeks rehearsal, I'm sure you were heavily involved in scripting.
No, nothing.
No?
Nothing. All him. All him. Look at me stepping away. Look at me stepping away, and the violin still plays on the sinking ship, and I'm gone. No, it really was him. He's so good, Martin McDonagh, that it's never a case of improvising or working on the script or anything. He just comes with the fully formed script, whether it's a play or a film, and that's it.
And the IFTA goes to Garage.
Ed and Andrew, producers on the movie Garage. Congratulations, another award.
Thank you.
What have you got this time?
Best film for Garage, and Pat picked up Best Actor for Garage. Mark and Lenny also picked up, Mark Writer picked up Best Writer and Lenny Best Director, so yeah, pretty good result.
So pretty much in every category that Garage and the individual actors were nominated, pretty much in everyone you've picked up the award.
Well, quite a few. There were a few, you know, very talented people who didn't quite get the nod tonight, but we're certainly nominated, so that's good.
What's also gratifying about success of the film is that the support to make the film came predominantly from Ireland. So it was the Irish Film Board, it was RTE, BCI Fund was particularly crucial for us. We also had support from Film 4, who are great supporters of Irish film over the years. So I think it's great credit to all those people that they stepped in early when we were trying to get the film made, and gave us the resources to really, you know, to do the fantastic job that Lenny and Mark did with it.
Okay, well, all the hard work has paid off. Gentlemen, enjoy it.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you very much.
Oh my God.
Yeah, I just got a text.
Oh, I'm shaking like a leaf.
Are you crying?
No, had a little moment, had a little shake on stage, but I was fine. I'm now just going through my head who I didn't thank. Do you know that way?
Do you want to thank him now?
I didn't thank Simon O'Mahony for making my dress, so thanks, Simon.
Sorry, Ava was supposed to interview you, but I
You just
saw
went,
you.
Thanks a million. Oh, I'm brilliant. Thrilled. I'm absolutely thrilled.
I so deserve it, Kathryn.
Oh, brilliant.
So deserve it.
Did you have any sense of expecting, because it was a public vote, did you kind of go, right, my campaign's going well, I know 20,000 people have voted me, 5,000 people have voted for me?
Nothing. Like all I can say is that I knew I had like really huge support from everybody in RTE and Frontier Films, and everybody, you know, was telling everybody to vote, and everybody down in Carlow, like I got. This sounds so cheesy, but I got so many letters. People still write letters. I got letters and cards wishing me good luck and everything. So, and people, the Special Olympics has been fantastic. They have a huge database, and I'd say just texts went out, and I'm thrilled.
It's amazing the calibre of stars that are dying to be here at the Irish Film and Television Awards. I mean, the red carpet is absolutely going to be jammers tonight.
Well, over the last 4 years, we've done phenomenal work, I think, in terms of the team that we've got behind us and so forth, and we've started putting the spotlight on the Irish industry, and we've gotten great feedback from international guests that feel that they've got some connection with Ireland and they'd like to come home and help, I think, celebrate the talent that is here. So this 5th year was very, very important for us, and I think having Mel was the icing on the cake, really.
Now, John, surely it's better to win the awards, but your business tonight is presenting.
Absolutely, yeah. And I mean, a lot of my friends have been nominated, so I mean, it's a kind of a double whammy for me, and it's wonderful to be here. And a lot of my friends are up for awards, and it was great to meet Mel Gibson again, because I haven't seen him in years since we did Braveheart. And we've had a great chinwag up in the Shelbourne, and we continue that when the proceedings have terminated.
So this is all very kind of showbiz and rock and roll, if the old movie stars are hooking up in Dublin, isn't it?
It is. I mean, I think they did a fantastic job tonight. I mean, it is. Hollywood come to Dublin. I mean, it's really big deal, isn't it? I mean, it's fantastically organised, I think. Yeah.
As an Irish actor of film and theatre and television, does that make you proud?
Yes, absolutely. I think that the work is acknowledged, and I mean, I think it's good for the country. It's good for the industry. And I'm glad that the Minister was here tonight, because I tell you, and I'm glad that he's extended the Section 481, the financial bill, for another 4 years, because this is a service industry.
Maybe you should have a word with him in the bar later on.
I tell you, I might become a minister myself.
Have a good night.